Hello everyone, my name is Diana Leon. I am a student of degree in English at UNAD, and this video is the last task of the course English IPSAM, and it is a little presentation about the Cambridge English Placement Test. What is the purpose of the exam? This test was designed by the University of Cambridge for the purpose of being used by any candidate to assess their level of English, evaluating listening and reading skills. This exam is intended to provide an opportunity for the people who want to certify their English proficiency to access a valid test quickly and practically. What kind of people can take this exam? It is aimed at all students over 12 years of age, since it has the characteristics of being adaptive, which has no answers, and the difficulty will vary according to the answers the student will give. It can be taken individually or in groups. It can be taken at any time or place. What is the main goal of the exam? Create and consolidate a test that allows evaluating the linguistic and communicative competence of students, teacher, and non-native English speaker without restriction, and with which people can quickly get to know the results and know the real level of language proficiency. What are the most significant characteristics of the exam? Allows to the student to choose the correct English level. Second, it is a quick and effective exam. Focuses on evaluating reading, listening, and grammar skills. The results are immediately clear and precise. It is present as a group or individually. And for the last, UNAD has an opportunity for each bachelor student in English. What skills are evaluated through the exam and how are they evaluated? Reading and listening. It is a test that consists for 25 questions and has the following types of questions: read and select, grab sentences, multiple choice gut feel, open gut feel, stand reading, listen and select, and stand listening. What scale is used to get the results? Begin based on the common European framework. The results go from the level A2 to level C2, and this score is based on a scale of 1 to 50. The result will be delivered immediately by the page. Will you take that exam in the future, and why? According to the analyzed information and everything understood from this exam, of course, I will take the exam, which, in addition to being a requirement of my degree career, is an opportunity to know my real command of the language and to know the objectively weight, my weaknesses and my strengths, in addition to being an opportunity to prepare me for another more specialized exam. Thank you so much. Until next time.